Here comes another dish, spicy stir-fried catfish with shrubby basil.
This is a fiery southern-style dish. The paste is pounded coarsely, then stir-fried with catfish.
We are using fresh catfish, cleaned, gutted, and ready to cook. Cut it into slices and it's ready for stir-frying. Let's take a look at the ingredients and how to make it. Let's start preparing the ingredients. First up, this leaf, shrubby basil.
Now prepare the ingredients for pounding.
If you don't have a peeler at home, you can place it like this and gently scrape it with a knife instead. This step is for preparing both the paste and the stir-fry mix. For the paste, we start with 2 dry ingredients, pepper and shallot. Lightly toast the pepper over low heat. After roasting, start pounding the dry ingredients, shallots and pepper. Then add the chilies. Next, add galangal and lemongrass. The paste should have a coarse texture, not too fine. For the harder ingredients like galangal and lemongrass, pound them a bit finer. Add oil to the pan, followed by the pounded paste. Then add shrimp paste. Once it's well blended, add the catfish. When the catfish is halfway cooked, add bird's eye chilies or spur chilies, followed by fresh green peppercorns. Then season with sugar and fish sauce. You can top it with sliced finger root and basil flowers for garnish. Before serving, drizzle a bit of thick coconut milk to enhance its richness and shine. How is it? Spicy stir-fried catfish with shrubby basil is wonderfully fragrant and delicious. It has a spicy kick from chilies and pepper, capturing the charm of southern Thai cuisine. Let's keep exploring the beauty of Thai flavors in the next videos.